Hello and welcome to Hashpedia. Today we are at Tire Plus to get the tires changed from the same tire brand which I've been using from past 2 years. It's a Chinese brand. So hopefully the new tires will serve well. I'll show you which tires we are buying now. These tires are supposed to be one of the best when it comes to comfort and when it comes to running in the desert. Desert as in asphalt road, not the actual off-roading. So let's see how it goes. If you guys enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you keep getting more videos like these. So we are right now changing the tires. The existing tires actually started giving me proper problems. I think it's too loud. You guys can hear me or not. These tires were proper bad. And the treadwear tires actually have gone bad. So they were pretty stiff and pretty hard. So I'm hoping that the new tires, I'll show you which ones I'm getting. These are the tires we are getting now. These are Michelin's Primacy 4 Plus 235 55R17 with load capacity 99V. So these tires are basically made in Italy. So the manufacturing date on these tires are, I'm sure you guys can see this. So this is 3rd week of 2023 and these are made in Italy. So that's good enough for me. Since tires are Michelin's, they are hopefully super comfortable. So I'm hoping good stuff from these tires. The thing is, we ride the cars on really high speed over here in Dubai. So if the tires are old, if they're stiff, the ride becomes really uncomfortable. So soft tires are needed with a good load capacity. Basically these tires, actually the Chinese tires, they were quite stiff and the rubber was actually started to come off, and I had a puncture a couple of days ago as well. So hopefully these Michelins will serve good and it will sort out my problems, the ones which I've been facing. So let's see how it goes. So they're the top guys behind me, sorting out the tires. So well, but I think now it's time to get more comfortable. So these tires are now actually, so these tires are actually now getting balanced. I have a reference gauge over here. It's too sunny, I'm sorry if you guys can't see it, but there's surely magic happening. Yep, that's it. Now you can see it. There's the tire rolling and being weighed into. Now the balance shows 0 gram on the left side and 55 gram on the right. So it'll be balanced by more weight. Either on the left side or the right side will be removed by the technician. So now we have the new tires being installed. So this is the first one which is being installed. 3 more to go. So we are now halfway there. 2 tires are done, 2 are left. Super hot today. I'm literally sweating right now. It's 44 degrees today, and we still have alignment left. So hopefully with the 2 more tires done, we'll get the alignment done next 15 minutes and off we go. We are actually back in the car, so now we're going to take the car to the other side to get the alignment done. Here is the device which does 3D alignment. They will install the sensors on each tire through this infrared bar and the sensors in the corner of it. These are the actual ranges where we have to keep the car in, align it totally. And this is the sensor which is being installed, which will tell exactly what's the range. Here is the tire sensor for the front tire. So we have now front tire and rear tire. Tire clamp is being attached with the sensor, so it gives the right values to the computer. This sensor right on top will take the readings from the right side, and that sensor on the left, the test bar, will take the readings from the left side. I've actually been asked not to come in front of the sensors because they will start giving false readings, so I'm just moving back behind the car so I don't disrupt these guys and their work, and they sort me out in the next 15-20 minutes, so I'm off because it's proper hot right now. This gives us the reference range and the angles through the infrared sensors. These are some of the display of the shop I'm at. 5W30. So this is how 5W30 runs in your engine. Sorry, that's 10W40. This is 5W30. Even thinner. And then we have 20W50, which is like honey. Proper honey. But I suppose in 50 degrees, even 20W50 becomes like running water. And here are the reference ranges of the alignment being done on the car. So I think left side is negative, not 15 degrees. The right shows green, so I suppose green is good and the red is bad. And red is being sorted out. Now it shows 0.10 degrees. So I think we are good now. It's all green, the clamps are being taken off, and once we drive the car on the road, we'll see if the alignment is really good enough or does it still need a bit of tweaking. So far it's good enough. The car is now being brought down. Clamps being removed. Forgot to mention, but these tires costed me 2,360 dirhams, which is roughly around $700. Yes, $750. And these are 2023 manufactured tires, 235/55 R17 with a load capacity of 19 and speed rating of 3 V for velocity. So first impression of these tires are they proper comfortable. I'm actually driving on cobblestone / brick pavement, and they're quite soft. I mean, it was quite bumpy on those thrown away Chinese tires. So we'll see how they perform, and after 1 year, I promise I'll make another video for you guys and see how these tires go through and last at least this summer. And we'll see the tire tread and how they have worn out by end of the summers. So we are cruising now at 120 km/h speed, and these tires are actually performing really good, just like how I expected from Michelin's. Super comfortable, super soft, and they are really good when it comes to maneuvering on the road as well. Just did some sharp turns on this around the speed of 60 to get on this highway. So as expected, Michelin's doing its job. It's around world difference between the tires I previously had and these new tires, and yeah, properly aligned, properly balanced. There's no vibration whatsoever on the tires, and the alignment is fairly good. So I'm not using any hands, but the car is still going straight, so it's good enough, although we should always keep our hand. Hopefully you guys like today's video. Please like the video if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so I keep bringing you more videos. Over and out.